Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best air pistols in the world for 2025. These are the air pistols you should be checking out on Amazon this year. Links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Are you on the hunt for the best air pistols of 2025? Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a beginner looking to step into the world of air pistols, finding the right one can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll be breaking down the top 5 best air pistols, covering everything from power and precision to comfort and durability. But here's the twist. Stick around to find out which one I think is the best of the best. And trust me, it's a surprise. Keep watching and you might just find the perfect addition to your collection. So let's get started. On number 5, Venturi V10 at 177 caliber. Blah. Let's kick things off with a real gem for entry-level target shooting, the Venturi V10 Match Air Pistol. Here's why it's such a game changer. This 5.97 caliber single-stroke pneumatic pistol is all about precision. With its competition-grade rifled steel barrel, adjustable sights, and customizable trigger that goes below 1 pound, you get accuracy like no other. Plus, the form-fitted grip with an adjustable palm shelf ensures a comfortable single-handed shooting experience, available in both right and left-hand versions. What really sets the V10 apart? Its simplicity and consistency. No CO2, no pumping, just a single stroke and you're ready to shoot. It's recoil-free, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced shooters. Next up, we have the V10 controller. The interface is amazing. You have so many options. Accuracy is where the V10 truly shines. Whether standing or using a rested position, it delivers pinpoint precision. With just over 2 FT-lbs of energy, this pistol isn't for hunting, but it's absolutely perfect for target practice. Oh my God, I'm jealous, I said as my eyes widened. Oh my God. I'm so jealous. For a great entry-level match pistol that excels in precision, the Venturi V10 is a standout option. And number 4, Sig Sauer P365 4.5 EMF. Next up, we have the Sig Sauer P365 BB pistol. This one's a compact replica of the iconic P365 9-point NEM firearm, and it packs a punch. To take out Arabs, burn buildings, repel defenders, and generally just die all hellfire assholes, despite how little you do with it once you physically have it. Priced at under $80, this BB pistol offers excellent value for money. It's perfect for firearm owners who want to practice at home or just have some fun. The realism is on point, from the size and weight to the functional controls, like the drop-free magazine that houses BBs and a CO2 cartridge. The P365 BB pistol performs great with an impressive 318 FPS on the first shot, and it achieves tight groupings at 6 yards. The downside? It's good for only 60 shots per CO2 cartridge, so you'll need to reload a bit quicker. But for realism and accuracy at a fantastic price, the Sig Sauer P365 is a must-consider. It offers a wide variety of muzzle flex shapes, weighing only 15 ounces. Your pistol is lighter than a piece of paper in your pocket. It offers a wide variety of air pistol. Let's talk about a compact powerhouse in the airgun world, the Benjamin Marauder pistol. This .22 caliber PCP airgun gives you 15.5 foot-pounds of energy, which is perfect for small game hunting or target shooting. And so, with its bolt-action system, 8-shot auto-indexing magazine, and adjustable 2-stage drop-sear trigger, this air pistol provides a smooth, accurate shooting experience. Whether you're targeting squirrels or practicing for longer shots, the Marauder gets the job done with ease. Plus, the built-in pressure gauge ensures you'll never be caught off guard with an empty air tank. For added versatility, the Marauder comes with a shoulder stock attachment, which turns this pistol into a carbine-style setup. It's a compact, reliable airgun that punches well above its weight. If you're looking for a versatile, high-powered airgun for small game hunting or precision shooting, the Benjamin Marauder pistol should be on your radar. Number 2, Springfield Armory, 1911, Mil-Spec, CO2 BB. Now let's talk about the Springfield Armory 1911 Mil-Spec CO2 blowback air pistol. This one's a near-perfect replica of the classic 45 ACP Mil-Spec pistol, offering a fantastic training tool or just an enjoyable plinking experience. It's powered by a CO2 cartridge and shoots 177 BBs, delivering fun with low recoil. The fully metal construction, along with the realistic controls and blowback slide, ensures a genuine shooting experience. Plus, the 18 BB magazine gives you more shots per load than the standard 45 ACP. Accuracy, it's great. You'll see tight groupings at 10 yards and steel target hits at 40 yards. It's perfect for practicing at the range or developing your muscle memory for your real firearm. For training, target practice, or just some fun at the range, the Springfield Armory 1911 is a fantastic airgun to consider. So, tip number 1, consider buying an airgun for a locker. And finally, number 1, ASG CZ Shadow 2 CO2 BB Airgun. Last but certainly not least, the ASG CZ Shadow 2 blowback CO2 BB pistol is hands down the best of the best. Here's why. During my tests, it averaged 283 FPS, right on the money for what ASG claims. It might not be the fastest, but it's consistent and accurate. At 30 feet, I was able to group 10 rounds into a solid 2-inch circle. The fully adjustable sights help you fine-tune it to your shooting style, and the blowback action adds to the realistic feel. Weighing in at almost 3 pounds, the CZ Shadow 2 feels solid and well-balanced in hand. The single-action trigger is light, predictable, and smooth, while double action is available for added versatility. Although it's a bit on the pricier side, you're getting top-tier quality, precision, and a realistic shooting experience. If you're looking for a high-quality 2BB pistol, the ASG CZ Shadow 2 is a no-brainer. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best air pistols of 2024. If you're thinking of picking one up, check out the links in the description for more details. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome reviews and gear recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.